Hi friends, I am Vishal Prajwal. I hope are you happy? Student, I starting new topic connective tissue. Connective tissue. Connective tissue are most abundant and widely distributed in the body of complex animals. They are named connective tissue because of their special function of linking and supporting other tissues or organs of the body. They range from soft connective tissue to specialized types, which include cartilage, bone, adipose, and blood. In all connective tissue except blood, the cells secrete fibers of structural protein called collagen or elastin. The fibers provide strength, elasticity, and flexibility to the tissue. These cells also secrete modified polysaccharides which accumulate between cells and fibers and act as matrix or ground substance. Connective tissue are classified into three types: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, and specialized connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue has cells and fibers loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substance. For example, areolar tissue present beneath the skin. Often, it serves as a support framework for epithelium. It contains fibroblasts or cells that produce and secrete fibers, macrophages, and mast cells. Adipose tissue is the another type of loose connective tissue located mainly beneath the skin. The cells of this tissue are specialized to store fats. The excess of nutrients which are not used immediately and converted into fats and are stored in this tissue. Fibers and fibroblasts are compactly packed in the dense connective tissue. Orientation of fibers show a regular or irregular pattern and are called dense regular and dense irregular tissue. In the dense regular connective tissue, the collagen fibers are present in rows between many parallel bundles of fibers. Tendons which attach skeletal muscles to bones and ligaments which attach one bone to another are example of this tissue. Dense irregular connective tissue has fibroblast and many fibers are mostly collagen that are oriented differently. This tissue is present in the skin, cartilage, bone and blood and various types of specialized connective tissue. The intercellular material of cartilage is solid and pliable and resists compression. Cells of this tissue are chondrocytes and enclosed in small cavities within the matrix secreted by them. Cartilage is present in the tip of nose, outer ear joints, between adjacent bones of the vertebral column, limbs, and ants in adults. Bone have a hard and non-pliable ground substance rich in calcium salts and collagen fibers which give bone its strength. It is the main tissue that provides a structural framework to the body. Bones support and protect softer tissue and organs. The bone cells osteocytes are present in the space called lacunae. Limb bones such as the long bones of the legs serve weight bearing functions. They also interact with the skeletal muscles attached to them to bring about movements. The bone marrow in some bones is the site of production of blood cells. Blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue containing plasma, red blood cells RBC, white blood cells WBC, and platelets. It is the main circulating fluid that helps in the transport of various substances. Students, I asking the questions, you tell the answer. What is loose connective tissue? Give the example.
Sir, loose connective tissue has cells and fibers loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substance. For example, areolar tissue present beneath the skin.
Oh, good. What is dense irregular connective tissue?
Sir, Dense irregular connective tissue as fibroblast, and many fibers are mostly collagen that are oriented differently.
Good students. We'll continue. Students, tomorrow I will continue the class.